Dope Coffee Roasters was founded by me and Nitu to kind of answer a few pain points. One was that no other coffee roasting company or any beverage company in India were really highlighting Indian art that was kind of what we know today as street art of India. So we were always wondering why and how we can blend street artists to a beverage company. I think that was the first intention. Our second intention was always to make sure that we're serving India's best beans as fresh as possible. While we were on that journey, we realized that India is one of the best coffee producing countries in the world. We're actually number 7. We're the 7th largest coffee producer in the world. And we think that the time for Indian coffee has now come. Yes, we are going to compete with countries like Colombia and Vietnam, Brazil, but one unique character about Indian coffee is that it's all shade grown, which is very, very unique to this region. Anywhere else in the world, coffee is not always shade grown, which gives a coffee inherent quality of being much more mellower, much more rounded. And if you can add processes to the coffee, which is like either yeast fermentation, like you would do in wine, or anaerobic, which means completely in vacuum, we can add some really cool characteristics to coffee. And I think that is what not just the Indian market is looking at, but also the international markets. I think now is the time for Indian coffee roasters to get out there and get out on the world stage and showcase their coffee. I think it's the best time to be a coffee roaster in the country because we are at a height of experimentation and finding out what else Indian coffee can do. Coffee, unlike wine, is best consumed when it's freshly roasted and freshly ground. For the simple reason that after coffee is roasted, it is degassing, and the biggest enemy to coffee is oxygen. I would say 7th to the 14th day is the best day to buy coffee and to consume it before the 30th or the 35th day. This is the time that coffee will taste its best. This is the time you will taste every single note that the coffee roaster is trying to put out there, whether it is citrusy coffees, whether it's chocolatey coffees, whether it is umami coffees. This is the best time to consume these coffees, and make sure that eventually you do invest in a grinder. I think that when people ask me what equipment I should invest in, I usually don't end up telling them to buy a fancy piece of equipment, but I do end up asking them to grind their coffee as fresh as possible at home. This just ensures that the flavors that you are wanting to taste remains intact in a bean form, as opposed to ground coffee, which is already started to lose its flavor. So yes, we are very, very proud to be part of the Indian third wave culture that's developing, and hopefully we should be able to be renowned and recognized by coffee consumers not only in the country but also throughout the world.